Welcome, it's Thursday, the 2nd of February. I'm Freddy and you're watching DGN. Let's check out what's happening today. We got Battlefield 3 DLC, new DLC, Skyrim 1.4 patch, Resident Evil 6 demo, and new CEO on Sony. Today's episode is very special, guys, that's why the camera is there. I've reached 500 subscribers. Thank you, guys. I really don't know what else to say. I'm really grateful all of you guys subscribing and watching my videos every day. As you see, I got a haircut. Anyway, the lucky subscriber was Secrex or something like that. I think he makes some Call of Duty videos, so he has a comment on my channel, so it would be nice to go ahead and check him out. So on the news, guys, the Peter Osnit, a guy from EA, came out and said you're going to hear some announcements from us on the BF3 game early next week on an event on New York City. It's probably going to be the new DLC. Like 95% everyone saying it's going to be the new DLC. I hope it's the new DLC, guys. We're going to see. I really enjoyed the Back to Kargan maps and weapons, except for the FAMAS. And anyway, continuing on the Skyrim patch 1.4 is gonna be out on Steam on Wednesday. If you remember, guys, back in December, Bethesda said that they are actually gonna have the workshop and the creation kit out in January this month, the past month I mean. Also, guys, have a good month this February, and they're not gonna release the workshop and the creation kit on this patch, so they're late around 3-4 months. I don't know when they're gonna release it. Anyway, on the console, Bethesda is gonna submit the patch to Microsoft and Sony this week, and it's gonna be out in I think it's gonna be like around 15 to 20 days. We're gonna see, I don't know. Continuing, guys, on the Resident Evil 6 demo. The demo of Resident Evil 6 is gonna be exclusive for the Xbox 360. Yeah, that's true. It's gonna come out 2 months earlier from for the 360. On the PS3, it's gonna take around 2 months to come out. That's probably a strategic move there from Microsoft to invite some players to actually play Resident Evil on the Xbox, because Resident Evil used to be a PlayStation franchise, but as you can see, guys, Sony is really losing a lot of exclusive games these years. Anyway, and we're continuing, guys, on the new CEO on Sony. Yeah, the last one really fucked up because Sony was actually negative on their profits on 2011. So this guy is called Kaz Hirai, something, I don't know. He's gonna take over the company on the 1st of April. That's April's Fool's Day also. He said that his main goal is to make Sony the #1 position, to have the #1 position on the games. And because right now Sony is, I think, is third on this one, because Nintendo Wii made a huge success, and the Xbox 360 is a big competitive to Sony and PlayStation. So Sony's dead last right now, and on the third quarter of 2011 they had $2 million loss. So yeah, it doesn't look so good for Sony right now. That's why they changed CEO. Anyway, that was about it for the news, guys. Thank you for watching. Again, thanks for the 500 subscribers. I'm making a video every day, as you can see, guys. And as always, have a nice day, and I'm out.